know what is joints, fractures, and thing. Okay, so joints is nothing but it occurs where the what you call rock breaks. Okay, okay, and those are called joints. And fractures is nothing but it will be of more what you call in rocks there is some displacement and there is some separations, right? Those are called fractures. Okay, so as you can see, these are the various types of jointing in the rocks. Okay, so there are different kinds of jointing. So one is what you call the column jointing, sheet jointing, and brittle fracture or tensional joints. Okay, so column joints, it will be of similar to the what you call the our column like structure. As you can see here, this is a columnar jointing. You can see the image, zoom the image, and you can able to see the columnar jointing. Okay, so this is how this will be of these jointing will be. Okay, so these are not much important in your syllabus point of view. Only the you in your syllabus point of view, folds and types of folds and faults and types of faults only is given in your unit 1. So these are topics related to these kinds of faults and folds. So you just know about these things and it will just helpful you in your some point. Okay, so after this your unit 1 gets over. So again I'm telling you the unit 1, what are the topics, uh, what do you call unit 1 introduction. It will be of entirely about earth and earth origins and origin of earth. And next is earthquake, and about and types of waves and seismic waves. And let me show you the what you call syllabus. You can able to easily understand, because if I keep on telling you, you can't able to understand. So this is your unit 1. So after this we discussed, okay, earth structure. So we discussed about earth structure and other things, that is crust, outer mantle, inner mantle, core, and these are the earth structure. So next we discussed about seismic waves. There are different types of seismic waves also we discussed. We discussed about what is plate tectonics and theory. As I told you, Alfred Wegener is a German scientist who discovered this theory and wrote this theory about this plate tectonics theory. And origin of continents also we discussed how this before these continents were together. If you see the olden maps, you can able to see these Australia and Sri Lanka will be of together in olden maps, and later it got separated because of this plate tectonic theory. He wrote detailed about how it happened and other things. That is also we discussed. Then seismic zones in India is also we discussed, 5 zones according to the Indian Standard Codes 1893 of 2002 earthquake resistant architecture. So predictability also we discussed how the earthquake can be predicted, and measurement of earthquake is also we studied by the instruments, various instruments called Richter scale is the instrument where you can able to measure the earthquake and other things. And seismograph is also a thing where you can able to measure the earthquake, and it will be giving you a graph about this thing. And next we discussed about intensity, that is magnitude and intensity also. So the last is we discussed about folds and faults, that is basic terms of faults and folds and other things. Next is focus. I told you focus is the point where the earthquake is originates. That is also we discussed. And epicenter is where the point it reaches the just above the point above the focus. That is called epicenter. So that is also we discussed. And focal depth is nothing but, as I told you, focal depth is the depth from which focus and to the top of the crust layer. That is called focal depth. So up to this unit one, it gets over. So any doubts in unit one, ma? Up to the topics which we discussed till now, any doubts you can able to ask. I think by showing this unit one, we already covered everything. I think nothing is much left over in this unit one. If any doubts, you can ask me. Students, are you there? I asked you whether you have a doubt or not. Say just yes or no. That's huh?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
That's what I'm expecting you. If you keep on silent, means how can I know whether you are understood or not? So we'll move on to the unit two now. So unit two will be of site planning and performance of ground and buildings. Okay. So unit two will be starting to know about the basic things and what you call relation between seismic waves and structures, how this seismic waves reaches the structure and how it reacts with the structure, and other things